today we're gonna do a cardboard slide puzzle. Okay, let's get started. I have here a cardboard. It is 16 centimeters this size and 20 centimeters from up to down. I have two pieces. I made of two lines. I'm gonna cut them. Okay, I have now two pieces. Same. What we're gonna do is I have here a picture. I print this one out. You can also draw yourself, but I print this out. First what we're gonna do is we're gonna center this one in the middle. Just like this, and I'm going to cut this out about so it fits on my cardboard. Drawing out. I'm going to center this one just like this in the middle. Okay. Take a pencil. Draw a line. Draw a line just like this. Okay, what we can do is I'm going to cut this out in the lines. Don't get further than the line itself, because we're gonna need that outside of the line. Okay, cut it out. Make it more like this. Okay. Okay, this out. This is one, and that's another piece. Okay, gonna look which one fits by what fits. Okay, little drawing just like this. It fits on this size. Make two strips here, two strips here. Then I want now this size comes here. Okay, we're gonna glue this up with the glue stick. You can choose any drawing which you want. You can also take a picture from your family or this or something else from your pet. Anything, you can choose any picture which you like. Okay, I glued my cupboard, and I'm gonna stick this picture in my cupboard just like this. Okay, stick on. We can wait for this one. Next, we're gonna this cupboard plate. I have here nice blue paper, and I wanna put this one just like this. I do the same on the paper, with the blue paper, just like what I did with the cupboard. Okay, now I have this. What we're going to do is we're going to put this one just like here, and we're going to glue it up just like this. Okay, now we have this. One part is done. Okay, next step. I'm gonna glue this part outside, the inside, with the glue, and I glue it up with this board. Okay. And I glue this up perfectly lined up on my board. Now we have a frame. Just like this. Okay, this part is done. We're gonna number this part in sections. You can do in big sections, make 6 pieces of squares. This you can also do in smaller pieces, what you want. And we'll go with 6. I'll go with 6. I'm gonna go to 6 pieces, but I measure it out and it will cut 9. Because I have 9 pieces. I have number 1 here, number 2 here, number 3. We're gonna number it up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just like this. Okay, number 3 is falling out. Gonna just cross on it. Gonna know this is falling out. Okay, now what we're gonna do is cut them up. Okay, we have all the pieces here, and number 3 was falling out. Just throw it away. Now we have this board. This is number 1. It's here. Number 2, this was here. Number 3 was falling out. Number 4 and number 5. Number 6. Number 7. 8 and 9. All the pieces. Now number 3, what we have, it was falling out. We get the cupboard now. What we had, this is number 1, fits here. Number 2 fits here. Number 3 was falling out, it's gone. Number 4 fits here. Number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9. You have your puzzle now. Now you can just do what you want with the puzzle, and you're gonna slide it up. Play with it. Just like this, and you're gonna slide. And you have your own puzzle. We're done with it, and this is my cupboard. Slide puzzle kitten. It was great to make. You can also choose in your other photos what you like. I choose a picture, and you can choose for your family or someone else you love or something. It's very easy to make, fun for your children, also fun for everyone. And okay. Ik zie je in de next video. Don't forget to subscribe downstairs and thumbs up, and see you in my next video. Bye.